I really feel like I'm never gonna get a job again. Like, I'm so scared because, like, I have been unemployed for 3 months. I'm not eligible for unemployment because I just moved here. Um, I am so stressed out. Like, this has never happened to me before. Like, I've always had a job. Like, I was an honor student, like, third in my class, so successful in high school and college. And I have a bachelor's degree in poli-sci. I have 2 years of experience in mental health. I'm a great worker. I'm so organized. But nobody will even give me an interview. And I was crying on the phone with my mom because I was like, what if I literally can't find a job? Like, I've been applying for months. Like, I literally can't find anything. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, am I just gonna live with my parents for the rest of my life? Because, like, I'm not kidding you. I literally cannot get an interview anywhere.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I feel what she's saying. Literally, my daughter graduated recently from university. Super proud of her. And she's just like this young lady. Straight A student, graduated with honors, the whole nine in cybersecurity as far as that field is concerned. And the truth of the matter is this: things have changed. For folks like that, it's just like, man, I wasted all of this time. I invested all this time and I literally can't get a job with the advancement of all of the technology that's really replacing a lot of entry level jobs. And so when I say this, know that it comes from a place of love, because this is something I said to my own child. And the deal is this: the cheese has been moved. And what you have to do now is this, especially in white collar or knowledge type jobs or careers, you have to show what you know. You have to stop waiting on someone to bring you in and teach these things to you. That's last century. You have to show that you know how to spin up a lab. You know how to apply cybersecurity principles. You know how to market. You know how to do whatever it is that you went to school for. And I know it seems counterproductive, but that's the major shift that has happened and is frustrating a lot of people that are coming out of university as of late. Hi, my name is Robert, and on this channel, we simplify the home loan process. Also, I'm a lender. If you're looking to get onto the housing ladder, I'd love to have a conversation with you. My contact information is pinned in the top comment or in the description of this video below. So believe you me, guys, I have compassion for you. And a lot of you guys are frustrated. I get it. But listen to the old man. Everything that I just so aforementioned, you have YouTube, you have all of these social media places where you can get online and show what it is that you have learned and obtained those skills. And if you aren't at that place, now's the time where you have to start learning what it is that you want to do on your own. That's just where we are. Now, if you're more of a hands-on blue collar type worker, there's a lot of opportunities out here, and you may have to look in that avenue. And I'm talking to you young men out there. I want you to watch this next young man, and then we're going to react to what it is that he's saying as well.
Yo, if I can't get a job and I don't want to trap or scam, then what do I do? I can't trade because you need money to trade. I can't drop ship. You need money to drop ship. I can't freaking resell. You need money to resell. I tried mowing lawns again. I tried DoorDash. I got denied by DoorDash. I tried washing cars. I even had a period of time where I was helping someone install lights in buildings. And I was getting like $100 every time I did that, but he don't need me no more. Like, bro, there is genuinely nothing that I can do right now to make money, bro. Does somebody know anything I could do, bro? Anything, because I need money.
There's a lot of younger cats out here that are saying the same thing he's saying, right? But here's the deal, man. Electrician, plumbing, HVAC, AC. These are all things that anybody that's mechanically inclined doesn't take a long time to spin up a career like that, where unlike the white collar world and the old way of things, getting a bunch of accolades but not actually learning how to do the thing, that solves that problem when you're in a hands-on or blue collar type work, because you actually have a skill. You know what they say, man, skills pay the bills. Sometimes you might have to do some of the things you don't want to do until you can do what it is that you want to do. So I heard him say cutting grass. I know it's hard and it's manual type labor, but you may have to do that while you find out what it is that you want to do. The military is not probably a sexy topic right now because of what's going on or the possibility of having to go to war, but it provides stability. Military aside, there's a lot of service level jobs that aren't necessarily manual type in labor. Example, the EMT, fire department, things of that nature that have a pension on the back of them. There's a lot of things that you can do, but we're going back to either you're physically going to have to be able to do something, or as I stated before, you know how to do the thing as far as the knowledge work is concerned, coupled with the new compute power and large language models to make a company more efficient. Here's my last thing that I want to say, and this next young man is going to hit it on the head. And you don't have to go to college. You don't have to have been the smartest one, and you don't have to be a knowledge worker or break your back. This one skill pays all bills, and the people that are able to do this make the most money. Facts. Let's check it out.
I don't know who needs to watch this video, hear this. Get a sales job, and I swear to God, your life will completely change. Bro, listen, I spent the last 4 or 5 years, whatever, out of high school trying to find out what I was going to do because I knew I hated college. Like, I hate schoolwork in general. Like, I knew that wasn't the route for me. As much as I see them Latinas partying and as much as I've been tempted to, I knew that wasn't for me. But I spent the last 4 or 5 years trying to find out what I was going to do, find out what job I wanted to do, bouncing back between retail jobs, warehouse jobs, trying to do electrical. I hated all that shit, and none of them ever paid me good, especially with the economy we have right now. But my last job, I was trying out electrical. I was like the most depressed I've ever been, in the worst mental state, physical shape of my life. But if there's one thing about me, I am not scared to fail, and I'm going to always take a risk. So what did I do? I got a sales job. Now, obviously, there's so many different types of sales jobs you can get. For me, I chose car sales. And let me tell you, my Lord, God has been blessing me. Now, don't get me wrong. Again, there's many different types of sales jobs, commission-based, whatever. I know as far as car sales, it's different for every dealership. But, bro, get you a sales job. Stop wasting your time trying to find a retail job or being at a retail job or just at a job you hate. If you have an outgoing, funny personality, or you just like talking to people in general, bro, go make you some money. I've honestly been wanting to do car sales for a while, not because I like selling cars, but because I wanted to get in sales and I knew it could make me a good amount of money. And as scared as I was to do it, I said, I took the risk, and now I'm making crazy money.
Judge, he ain't lying. He ain't lying. So there you have it, man. I mean, it's however you want to get it, right? You got to get it how you live. You don't have to be a knowledge worker. You don't have to be blue collar worker. You don't have to be a white collar worker. I'm going to tell you what, man, sell something. You want to move the needle, sell something. And that is what makes the world go round, because in these United States, we are a consumption economy. So shout out to all of you. I wish you well. I really do, regardless of what area of life you're in. I will tell you this. I was 20 something at one time too, out of school and didn't know what to do. This too shall pass. Get up, get out, get something. Where in times like these, there's a lot of opportunities. You just have to look around. So we gave some solutions in this video. We're just not saying, woe is me and the sky is falling. I'm not saying that they're all the answers to these problems, but there's some answers. Maybe you have some suggestions. My community is very, very wise. We run the gamut from 22 and up. We won't disrespect nobody. When you guys start getting a little longer than two, you get sensitive about your age. But get down in the comment section. Help these young folks out. Give them some suggestions. Pray for them. But young folks, or anybody that's dealing with this, we in the doing time. You got to do. Show and prove. All of this is over, whatever it was. So if you already have mastered this, maybe you're like that last young man and you've been in sales and you've been killing it and you're ready to get onto the housing ladder, I would love to speak with you. Why? I'm a lender. My NMLS license number is 180100, and I simplify the home loan process for those that are looking to deal with residential real estate, be it first-time home buyer, move-up buyer, downsizing, or investing in duplex, triplex, or fourplex. I would love to have that conversation. Contact information is pinned in the top comment and in the description of this video. My time is up, but I thank you for yours. As I always say, guys, let's be good to one another. Let us let grace abound. Watch these next two videos. They'll help you on your journey to understanding real estate and achieving your goals. Until the next time, indeed, y'all stay blessed.